That is cool. Yeah. Freaking clouds. Heck yeah.
God, it's hot out there.
It's freaking sweet. That is freaking awesome. Samurai Stickman TV here, and it's pretty cool, but it's kind of, scary at the same time. You don't really know what's happening when it does that, but, I guess it's just heat lightning because it's so freaking hot down here in Georgia. It's doing it back that way too. But you can't really see it that well. It's doing it better this way. Hold on, one more lightning strike. I'm done. Wait. There we go. Perfect.